Hey guys, so I'm here and I just got my plastic folding chairs. So I'm gonna open them up here and show you. Ooh, they're nice and light, which I like. Ooh, they feel really nice. So let's take a look here. I'm just gonna put that over there. And I needed 2 new chairs here, so I thought I could use these and see how it is. Look, it's so easy. I mean, I just took them out of the box. There we go. And I opened it up and there we go. So now it's already ready. And it has these nice little designs here, which is nice, and it won't be so if you're sweating or they're outside, it'll let a little air through at least. So that's good. Look, see, so this is perfect. I mean, they look really nice here. They look fine, so I like it. It's nice and sturdy. I mean, yeah, I see this being totally good, and it's nice, and these are metal down here. It's not plastic. Back here it's plastic, but it's held with metal, and so that's good. And I mean, this is nice. I like this chair, and I think it looks good, and it's perfect, and it's got these breathable things, which I like. But I mean, here it is, and that was sweet. So I mean, I like that. I think it's pretty good, and I will definitely be using this. So I'd give that a thumbs up.